Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Earthly Landscapes blog. If you're new, hit that red subscribe button. If you're returning, hey, welcome with me and all the hand gestures. Anyway, I have a really exciting announcement to share. I have an Etsy shop. So, I make art. Specifically, I like to watercolor when I'm not designing landscapes. And I thought, hey, what if I sold digital downloadable prints of my art? And how wonderful would that be? At least I thought. So I'll put a link to the site in the description of the video, but it's on Etsy. And you can basically, for a small fee, download digital art made by me. Now, here's the thing. I'm also going to create an actual legitimate website where I will sell original art pieces. But for now, until the website's up, which will take a few months, you can get the digital downloads. And I just think it's really cool to be able to venture out and try new things and try new avenues and whatnot.